Remote start on your Nissan Pathfinder allows you to preheat or cool the cabin remotely. First, ensure your Pathfinder is parked outdoors, all doors are locked, and the key fob is within a 200 to 300 feet range. To activate, press and hold the lock button on the key fob for 1 to 2 seconds, then immediately press and hold the remote start button, the one with the engine icon, for 3 to 5 seconds. Look for a confirmation beep or flashing lights to confirm activation. The engine will run for a preset time of 10 to 15 minutes. You can extend this by repeating the process once. To remotely turn off the engine, simply press the lock button twice. Remember, the system has built-in safety checks. It won't activate if doors are open or if there are any system errors. If remote start fails, first check the key fob battery. CR2032 batteries typically last 2 to 3 years. Ensure you're within range of 200 to 300 feet. Obstructions like buildings or vehicles can reduce signal strength. For Pathfinders with Nissan Connect services, use the smartphone app for remote start. This can bypass fob range limitations. The engine will automatically shut off after 10 to 15 minutes to save fuel, aligning with environmental standards. Models like the 2025 Pathfinder Hybrid may prioritize electric preheating for better efficiency. For older models from 2018-2021, ensure software is updated to avoid unintended engine starts. Note that remote start is standard on most Pathfinder trims, but may require a Nissan Connect services subscription for full app features. If issues persist, consult your Nissan owner's manual or contact a Nissan dealer.